Pindot pa kayo. Nalipay ba mo? Salamat kayo. Nalipay ba ka, Nars? Nalipay daw kayo siya. Palakpakan nato siya balik, no? What an honor, no? Nga naatatanan din hi. Pila katanan nga mga choirs ang naa din hi?
We have 19 groups in total representing the different parts of the Archdiocese of Davao and the dioceses of Digos, Tagum, and Mati. And we have one parish choir from Agusan.
Wow, mauto ganiha. Okay, palakpakan na to ng mga choirs, no? Pila ni sa tanang mga choirs in terms of number?
644 voices.
Wow, we have 644 voices nga naa diri karon. Palakpakan nato sila nga naa karon dinhi. Thank you so much, no? Nindot kay sa nga tanan.
Yes, and this has been a roller coaster ride for the people behind this project, especially for the Santa Cecilia Choral, who worked tirelessly for this event. And right at this moment, I would like, and on behalf of my team, of my partner for this project, our Creative and Artistic Director, Professor Peter Ian Buaya, I'd like to thank you all for saying yes to our invitation to be part of this collaborative project.
Yeah, very good. Nindot kay sa nga tanan. Gikan lang ni sa pagtennis nato. Na istoryahan na mo na Nars nga nagtennis mi unya naisguta nga dream pud ni siya ni Archbishop about a year or two ago, and then he wanted really to do something like this. Nya wa to siya na mount unya mao tong pag-ingon nga nahitabo nga they've been wanting to do this. And kung gusto pud ni sa simbahan sa Archdiocese, and true enough, as we presented the idea to Archbishop, he immediately gave his blessing. So in participation with the Archdiocese of Davao, we have this event. So salamat kay Archbishop sa support. Ingon si Nars ganiha. Ingon si Nars ganiha, she had such a joy knowing that you have blessed this event and you wanted this event to happen. So nindot kay sa tanan.
Yes, Father, and thank you, Archbishop Valles, for endorsing the event. And right now, I'm so happy to see we have lots of people from the Archdiocese of Davao supporting this event. And of course, dili na to makalimtan ang pag-say yes ni Tita Nars sa
Finally.
Yes.
Yeah. Tungod ni Peter.
Just a very quick sides or kaning unsa ni siya? Backstory. This project was conceptualized 3 years ago when
So 3 years na dahil siya nahitabuan, no? And then there was a first attempt to invite her over. She had difficulty coming in. And then nabalikan siya og tawag. Mauto siya nga finally naka-yes na dyan siya. Took the courage to say
murag
yes.
perfect timing tanan, Father. And murag in God's time, nahitabo ra jud tanan.
In God's own good time.
Yes.
Very good.
And syempre, there's a reason why Father Junar is standing here with the Santa Cecilia Choral, because he will open our segment with a prayer. So, ladies and gentlemen, the Santa Cecilia Choral featuring Reverend Father Junar de la Victoria.
Umabot ka na mo ang imong gingharian, matuman ang imong pagbuot dinhi sa yuta, maingon sa langit.
Once again.